In this video, you'll learn how to get your Shopify authentication code in just a few minutes, so you can securely log in or connect external apps to your Shopify store. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Sign in to your Shopify admin account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the email or device linked to your account for two-factor authentication. Next, when prompted for the authentication code, check your registered email or your Authenticator app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Duo. Shopify uses these tools to generate a secure 6-digit code for verification. Now, if you're using an Authenticator app, open it and find the Shopify entry. The app will display a fresh code that updates every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter it quickly before it changes. After that, type the code into the Shopify login screen and click Submit. If the code is correct, you'll be logged into your Shopify dashboard, ready to manage your store and connect any apps you need. Once logged in, you can also generate API keys or access tokens for integrations. Go to Apps and Sales Channels, then Develop Apps to create custom credentials for connecting Shopify with external services and tools. And that's it. You now know how to get your Shopify authentication code and access your store securely.